Have you ever thought about starting an online business with minimal upfront investment? Perhaps the idea of dropshipping with AliExpress has crossed your mind? If so, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping and providing you with a step-by-step guide to get you started. Firstly, choosing a dropshipping niche is essential. This is about identifying a niche with high demand and low competition. It's worth considering your interests, expertise, and the audience you want to reach. Some popular niches include fashion, accessories, home and garden, and electronics. Next, you need to find products on AliExpress. Start by searching for products within your chosen niche and use filters like price, shipping options, and seller ratings to refine your search. Pay attention to product quality, profit margin, and shipping times when selecting products. It's a good idea to order samples to test the quality and shipping times before listing them in your store. Once you've picked your products, it's time to find a reliable supplier. Look for suppliers with high ratings, positive customer reviews, and fast shipping times. Don't be afraid to communicate with potential suppliers to discuss pricing, minimum order quantities, and custom branding options. Negotiating prices for bulk orders can help increase your profit margin. Now to the fun part, creating your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Make sure your store has a user-friendly interface and high-quality product images. Set competitive prices for your products and offer clear shipping and return policies. Once your store is set up, you can import products and automate orders. Many platforms offer apps or plugins that connect directly with AliExpress, allowing you to import product listings and automate order fulfillment. These tools can save you time and effort by automatically processing orders and sending them directly to your supplier. Now it's time to brand and market your store. Create a brand identity for your store and promote your products through various marketing channels. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Offering excellent customer service can help build trust and a positive brand perception. Finally, a few additional tips. Always research your target audience and understand their needs and wants. Offer a variety of payment options to cater to different customer preferences. Monitor your performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your store and marketing campaigns. Consider using dropshipping automation tools to streamline your operations, and most importantly, be patient and persistent. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort. Dropshipping requires ongoing effort and attention to detail. Continuously monitor your store's performance, analyze your data, and adapt your strategies to improve your business and maximize profits. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and start your dropshipping journey with AliExpress. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired.